Asia, Europe, you see any animals in here? No. Don't see anything. An alpaca! Wait. I don't think alpacas are native to Asia. They're native to South America. Oh, no. Oh, there's another one. There's a tiger. Tiger! Run! Quick, you guys, to the rainforest! Go, run to the trees! I think we lost him. 4! What? Hey, 4! What? We got all the animals. Well, good job, my fellow equation friends. Well, good job. Well, good job, Numbers. You get all those animals. Wait, where's the tiger? 4, we have some bad news. There's a tiger. And it's very huge. Well, I don't see anything. Guys, run. Everybody, inside! Get back inside! I can't believe it. It's an African bush elephant. He's saving the animals from the tiger. The elephant defeated the tiger. You will pay for this, you freaking elefante. I'm going back into the cave. that a Jungle Book reference?